Hello everyone, so we are now testing the Osmo Pocket 3 and I am using currently the wide lens and the active track is activated. So I'm about to buy some medicine in the drugstore, but before that let's do some test of this Osmo Pocket 3. Quality is really good. The active track is really quick. So let's try to. Okay, so this is the park. The thing I noticed is that this the notification bar here in the screen is not that quick to remove. I think DJ should do something about it. So right now I'm using FPV mode. So every time I do a flip, it should follow my direction. Okay? See that? That's FPV mode. Most of the time I use FPV mode more than the follow mode. But if you activate face tracking, there, it will not bulge. It will just follow your face. I'm a bit tired already because we have been walking for 5 minutes. Okay, let's try to remove the wide lens. So this is how it would look like with only the front lens of the Osmo Pocket 3. Still, it's good. It's wide enough. Hello everyone, so I have read a post just a while ago. So instead of shooting in 1080p 60 frames, I should shoot in 2.7K, then just lower the bitrate when I am trying to edit it, instead of going directly with 1080p because of the quality issue, especially at night. Just like now. The quality is a bit grainy, especially in very dark situations such as this one. So what they suggest is use 2.7K so that the sensor can be fully utilized while not being too large like 4K. Yeah, now let's go. Everything's a bit misty because I came from a very cold office. So yeah, let's go. Actually, it's very easy to create content now. I just need to bring the case, the Osmo Pocket 3, and this microphone here, and the quality is really good. As you can see, the microphone is directly under my throat. Hopefully the audio will be picked up very well, although it's a bit noisy here. A lot of things happening here in our municipal hall. So I forgot to press the record button just a while ago, and as you can see here, this is our Christmas tree here in the So this is our municipal hall. Wait, I can't show it to you again yet. Here, there is our municipal hall. That is in 20mm lens. So here it is when we place the wide angle lens. Okay, that's how wide it is. Okay. So quality is really good, 2.7K. As I have said earlier, I have read some posts about using 2.7K instead of 1080p on your videos, especially for night shots, because the quality of the 1080p is a bit, it's not as good as 2.7K or 4K. But the problem is the 4K resolution is too big. So that is the lights here. Okay, so this is slow light mode. Fall. Okay, so I think we have got a lot of sample videos of the Osmo Pocket 3 at night. Alright, so we will be, after all of these tests that we did, let's try to turn off this light. And I think it would be better to use it as it is. I did not use the DJI Mic 2 here. We're at home, so the sound is not that as loud as when I was in the street, so probably we could use the internal microphone here on this video. You can see this. If you turn out this light and it's too bright, I think you need an ND filter for your Osmo Pocket 3S, which I usually do with the ZV-1. I turn on the ND filter when there is too much light, so that the screen will not be too bloated, not too blown out, just like this one. So if you put too much light, as you can see, it's so blown out because the aperture of this camera is 2.0. It's too bright, no? So you have to really be mindful about that. So okay, I placed the battery extension so that we could charge the battery. It's a bit low now. So we could really use this for our vlogging sessions. It's really useful. Just like now, I'm adjusting this light. Still, the Osmo Pocket 3 is, see that I adjusted it already, but still, uh, the cam is looking at me. I'm able to say what I want to say without much problem and without much trouble. So look at that active track. It's really useful, especially for vlogging. So you don't need to think too much. Just do your vlog, do your video, and like this, I'll be placing this feet, put the pocket 3 in the table, and get out of my way, and you can still see the video. I don't need to think how to use this cam. It makes me a dumb person. So that is how useful this Osmo Pocket 3 is. So if people are really clamoring to get one, there's a reason for that. It makes everything very easy for you to make content. So I could get my guitar here, play some guitar while I'm doing the video, and see how it actively tracked my face, putting me at the center of the So I hope you get the point. There's a reason why people are wanting to get this, especially if they want to vlog, if they want to do a lot of videos while talking and getting the footage that they want, because it is really useful. So for example, this time I lift this cam and I open up that light. I could continue the video without putting it down, without turning it off. I could just place it here, let it follow my face. See that? I could just continue the video. I could talk. I could say what I want. See, it's very useful as a vlogging cam. So people will really want this. So I don't get it why people are saying bad things about this. Of course, there are a lot of things that you would want to stay away from. The screen problem, yeah. But see this? It's really wide. When I'm using my Canon M50, because this is the widest that I got. So if I'm using the 11 to 22 millimeter, see how big this is, this how bulky this is. See, this is the 50 millimeter, so this is not what I used to vlog. I'm using a different lens, of course, the 11 to 22, but I hope you get the point. This is really big. I haven't got the, see how big this is. You vlog with this very large cam. It's not that good. People will not people will look at you, what the hell is he doing? See, people are offended when you shoot your video in public. They don't want to be in your video. So see that? I put the thing there without turning this off. I'm continuing the video. I'm almost at 4 minutes talking about how good the Osmo Pocket 3 is, and yes, it is. See that? I don't get it when people are saying bad things about this product when it makes your life easy. I turned the lights off. As you can still see my face. That is the beauty of the f2.0. That very wide lens, and the very fast camera lens. It's 2.0. I could just get this even if there are a lot of problems with the screen. It's for it being too fragile, but at the end of the day, we just want to make content, and if it's very useful for that purpose, I think it is good enough to be used for videos, and you don't need to think about it. If it's really good, it's really good. Alright, so we will end the video. We hope to see you in the next one. Happy filming. See you in the next one. Bye. Hey, you're still not stopping your active track. You're still tracking my face. I'll make you, I'll tire you. Alright? Damn, I'm no one tired. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.